Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by verifying the hardware. Power off both units, confirm inputs and outputs, and keep balanced TRS or XLR cables ready. Once done, set your audio interface to 48K HC and 256 sample buffer to reduce dropout while keeping latency manageable. Make sure the equalizer has a flat bypass preset so you begin from unity. You need phantom only if using condenser mics. Otherwise, leave it off. Now route a single channel for testing. We'll expand after verifying. You now connect Epicenter output to the equalizer input using a balanced TRS or XLR cable. Ensure snug connections to prevent hum. Once connected, install or update drivers for both units, then select the correct clock source in your DAW to avoid clicks. Route the hardware via an insert or a send-return loop so audio flows through the EQ. Check that routing shows signal present and gain staging is near unity. If latency appears, adjust buffer slightly and recheck synchronization. You finish by playing test audio and slowly adjusting EQ bands while listening for phase issues or distortion. Make conservative boosts and cuts. Once satisfied, set output trim so peaks don't clip, then save both the routing configuration and an EQ preset for recall. Make sure to document sample rate and buffer settings for future sessions. If you hit silence, double-check power, cable polarity, clock sync, and that no mute or dim function is engaged. This single check often fixes the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.